Okay guys, we in day 4. We still up in this, we still going hard, we still in large. We just reached the island. We in Roatan Honduras. So right now we about to get out and we're gonna go walk and, you know what I'm saying, mingle, meet some new people from a different country, a different island, whatever you want to call it. But it's nice outside. It's really nice. Right now the kids now they getting all dressed. So I'm about to give you guys this little beautiful view that I'm looking at. Like once again, because you know every day it's a beautiful different view for me. Check this out. It's beautiful, guys. That's that beautiful island, that beautiful green island. We got some people down there chilling. They didn't get off the ship. Got some people down there in the pool too. But yeah, excuse me. We about to get out here, get up in these streets real quick, because it's already kind of late. We stayed up late last night, going to these different events and stuff. So we're about to bounce with an ounce, and we're gonna get back at you guys later. Okay guys, that's the beach we're trying to get to right here. Right now we still on the ship. We're gonna grab something to eat, and we're at the taco shack, I mean. Yeah. We gotta get off, we gotta walk. We gotta walk to them trees. And across this little walk area they have right there. And it's like beach area where everybody there. That's nice out there too. But yeah, we about to head over there after we get our food. We got probably 10 minutes until they open. Then we're gonna grab our stuff. We're gonna chow down. I got some fish right here. These are 2 fish, and the other 2 are shrimp tacos. And I got some lime to add on to it. Add the lime on it. I'm gonna break the fish up though, because the fish don't look like it was looking yesterday. You was good, you Drake? You just got the chicken tacos. Basically got the chicken, and Tony, she got the shrimp. You sure do add a lot of stuff to your stuff, bro.
I always do.
Look good too.
It's not, that cilantro brings it out.
Hey guys, we left off the ship. We are on our way. We're gonna walk all the way over there to the other side. Hopefully we get to get in the water. Now, I might just get my foot wet. They got like a water station over here. I think that's the good water too, huh? Let me go ahead and get me one too. Hold up, goat. Hold up, DJ, I need you to do something for me. Yeah, I'm trying to put this thing in my pocket. Alright, push that for me.
Howdy.
That's good.
Howdy.
You okay? My bad. We had to get some water, chill. It's nice little scene area too. Sitting up in the shade. It tastes pretty good. Okay guys, as soon as you make that turn off the port, you're coming straight into not the liquor store. They got all type of liquor and stuff in here. Yeah. So we gotta make our way up out of here. They got jewelry too. They got book bags, hats. They got some flippers. Yeah, this is where we came last time. I don't know why. Ooh, excuse me, that's a fly. I don't know why I was saying Roatan Honduras. We're at like Mahogany Bay, Roatan. Oh, it's still Roatan. I'm tripping. Yeah, I don't know. I guess this port is different from the one we came to last time. Yeah, that's why I was kind of confused. But yeah, we've been here too though. They have some beautiful trees. This is what I be wanting, like something like this in our yard. These thick ass leaves and stuff. That stuff might not even grow where we live at. You be out there trying to water that stuff. But there's a lot of people coming back. We gotta make sure we make it back to the ship on time. We're gonna go put our feet in the water. I don't think the kids, they might not want to swim anyways. For last time, GJ? What are you walking like that for?
That lady, I'm gonna tell that lady they just had to put that lady in the wheelchair right there behind her.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, your legs?
It's okay, GJ. It's another jewelry store.
Man, we didn't go this way last time. We went this way last time.
Yeah, but I don't know if we got. Yeah, we're gonna go right first, then we're gonna go that way. So I wanna make sure we go to the beach. I think they got some coconut trees up here. Last time we came, they had some. Little trail we gotta walk through. What you call those, Tanya? Them things?
I'm not sure. I think it's a flying chair rod or something like that.
Yeah, I think they want like $35, $25 per person. It's not bad, but it ain't bad walking either. Rather walk, get my steps in, burn them calories. So they got a nature trail. Walk at your own risk. Watch out for those reachers. Be careful, loose gravel along the trail. We're not going up that thing. You gonna walk up there, Gray? Go ahead and go there. Let me see you run to the last thing and come back. To the last. Yeah. Go. Don't fall. Great, go on. Make sure you don't fall. You don't like it. Come on, goat. I would tell y'all get on this thing, but this thing look dirty. Huh?
Why is this here? That's buzzing.
It's not bad, at least you're not in the sun. That thing look dirty. We're gonna keep pushing it through, guys. By the time we get there, everybody gonna be back on the ship. But it's a nice little nature walk though.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
People taking pictures and stuff. They got, yeah, it is. I think last time we came, it was like extremely hot.
Mama, you saw me? I did this.
Yeah, I see it.
Make sure you don't fall, boy. Tony, that trail wasn't bad. This is where you come out there right here.
Yeah, I see it.
Like this the end, and we could have just walked through there. Then maybe when we go back, I want to walk through the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this is where you come out, that's not bad. All right.
Put your fan on. See all the little seaweeds down there?
I go to ship, guys. Mrs. Jubilee herself. All right. We're on that little bridge I was telling you guys about when we was on the ship walking across there. We're almost there, guys. Huge, nice, big pine tree. That's what took that picture last time. You guys gonna do an update next time? Next time we come through? Yeah, that's where we got some souvenirs from in here. They're gonna be able to take their socks off. They don't want socks. They stand get into their socks. I'm gonna keep my shoes and stuff on. You gonna take your
Yeah, but
socks
don't
off?
get no feet pics.
Don't get no what?
Feet pics. Don't put the camera on my feet.
No, I'm not.
Mama,
Rusty custom. I'm messing with you. Gotta hurry up, go, so we can go, man. You gonna take your socks off?
You say take the camera off.
Come on. I'll be up here waiting for y'all, man. Shit, he ain't taking them off. Made it to the beach, guys. Go ahead, take his socks off. He don't want me to get his feet on camera. Okay, when I was with Keevan them, we came to this, but we didn't come here. They said something was up with the port, so we didn't stop. All right, let's go ahead and go this way.
Let's go walk over there, baby.
Over what?
Where everybody walking into that thing.
They missed.
Yeah.
If I get a bunch of sand on my shoes, I'm just gonna switch shoes out.
I think they going up there for something, but we just going out there to get some water on that.
Blue Lagoon. Trying to get up under that mist.
You can barely feel it, baby.
Yeah. She said, I should have brought y'all a hat, man. Look at this. Come on, y'all ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk this way, Gray. Oh, that's the thing where they'll bring you here. This way, remember I told you they charge like $25, $35? $25 to $35, I think, per person. Made it to the beach, guys. Y'all gonna get in there?
I'm trying to see
Take your shoes off, Grayson.
No, I'm feeling my feet.
What?
You just gonna put your feet in there?
Yeah, it's okay, but take your shoes off.
You can get the sand off.
Y'all take your shoes off and y'all can walk through. I should have took my eyes off too, because
I'm gonna tear my shoe in my hand.
Yeah, I got great shoes. Well, I'm gonna sit right here with y'all with the shoes and stuff. I'll let y'all go.
Oh, you gonna stay here?
Yeah. You can't? Is it cold? It's a beautiful view. You okay, Gray? Put your whole body in the water. We're gonna go down there so we get us a cabana and chill. Don't step on them people's stuff. Your shoes right here. Why you not getting wet, man? You need to get all the way wet. So you won't be tired. Let me see what it says. Chill. I think this one over there. It just says reserve. You right back. You right back. Shit. What's wrong?
The thing that keep me thinking is, it feels like someone under the thing.
Take them shoes off, guys. I'm about to go ahead and get up in there. Come on, go. Let's go in there with me.
Come on. Come on, girl. Let's walk down here.
Ooh-wee. I feel it. Oh, damn. It sure do drop real quick.
Yeah, it dropped real quick. Grace, be careful.
DJ, what you doing with your shoes? What you doing with your shoes, man?
He's about to rinse his feet off and put them on. Silly stuff.
So you wild on that, boy.
Hey,
Take this thing out of my pocket so it won't get
I won't
wet.
hurt my feet because there's stuff.
It's like a little dip right here. Look, and I'm sinking down in there.
I'm going out.
Yeah, it's like going on. Careful.
I'm see how far can I walk. I'm see how far can I walk out.
You want to dip in?
Oh shit, I almost
I
fell.
told you, be careful.
Ooh, this shit is deep. This shit is deep. Before somehow keep on getting on there.
You about to go see how deep you can go?
Yeah.
Everything
Make
got
sure you
your
don't drop it.
pockets.
Yeah, it's already going. Make sure you don't drop it. Hold on.
'Cause it's
Make
not-
sure you get
Dad,
He going up. No, I haven't.
showing the whole water thing too.
There you go. Right there.
You can just tilt the down if it's not showing it.
It is. It's showing now.
I got some coat.
Come on, go.
Your clothes gonna dry quick.
Talking about y'all hot.
Your clothes gonna dry quick. That's why we put y'all on those clothes. Give it here. What? Why you run your do-rag?
I didn't have nowhere to put it.
He coming, baby. He taking his phone out his pocket.
Go coming out here, huh? Shit. Man, you gonna drop this shit.
I got it.
Hold on. I got it. You ain't got nothing else in your pockets, do you? Alright. Tell Gray he need to come on, man. It's a drop when you get right here. You gotta go. Come on. Don't drop it in the water. Why you keep it on your neck? You're not gonna fall. Oh, there go Greg. Come behind you, boy.
Hold up. Hold him in. Hold up.
It's okay.
Get down in there, Grace.
Come on, Gray.
See if you can sit down.
Ooh-wee. This shit kind of dangerous, bro. You don't know how to swim. Come on, goat. You got it, man.
It's cold.
It feel good though, don't it? Let me get you in the ship. Got you, goat. Go on, bust that move, goat. Go on, bust that move, goat. Oh, there go Gray. Oh, you be careful. We gotta get one of them floaties they got. This water is dangerous. Ooh, that's nice over there. Wish I had that bad boy over there. I'll be on that chilling. Ray, you done? Come on, come out here with me. Right here, come on. No, you can't get on that, Grayson. That's there. What is this, like a little trampoline thing?
What's that?
What's this, like a little trampoline to jump on?
No, I think it's just to float on it.
Oh, to float on? I thought it's one of them trampolines where you jump on and jump into the water.
I don't think it's that. It looks like it.
I'm getting on that.
No, you can't get on. Let them get on, Grayson. We're going to walk to the other side so we can find something.
Nope.
Hey, look at your pockets, boy. Y'all want to walk down there? Let's walk that way, son. Yeah, great. He ready now. Damn, I don't got wet. Okay, calm him down there, boy. All right, come back now. We're out here, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can find some floaties or something. I'm gonna walk over here right quick. Oh, shit. See if I can see some floaties shit. Oh, look at this shit right here. He gotta pay for it. Beach wearing the flags. I don't know if we gotta pay for this. Oh shit. I don't know if I gotta pay for this shit or not. I'm about to go ahead and snatch it up. I don't see nobody out here watching. I'm gonna go ask this dude if you gotta pay for this thing or not. If not, man, Gray about to get on this bad boy. How you doing, sir? Are those free to get on? Like the little,
No, it's
you gotta pay to get in? Where you pay at?
the beach register.
Oh, up there at the beach tree? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's like way on the other side. I ain't even trying to go over there. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to get right here. They got like a few of them. I don't think everybody pay for that shit because I see a lot of people with them on, with them. We're going to skip this time. I was going to get that thing over there, but they said you got to pay for it. And the what? A conch shell? Oh.
Hi. Clean my eye.
Here.
That's good. That's better.
Hey guys, we're gonna walk
You need to
down.
rinse your hands off, dude.
Let's walk that way, some Gray. We're gonna walk all the way down the other end.
Put your shoes on. You can rinse them off in the My shoes hot.
Come on, Gray. Put that stuff there, boy. You should have brought you a plastic bag. That way you could have brought the sand with you.
Go rinse your hands off. We're going to walk to the other side. Well, come on. I guess you can play the game.
Look, I was gonna get this right here, but they talking about be right back. Like they holding this shit too. It ain't bad. Next time I don't know if come early. Come on, Gray.
We walked all the way down last time.
Yeah, we're gonna walk down here.
We didn't walk out here.
Excuse me, sir. You know where they get these little blue things from? Them little floaties?
Right there, man. It's funny.
Oh.
The beach right there.
Okay, you have to pay for them? Or
Yeah, it's $10.
$10 for one? Oh, okay. $10, shit. Damn, boy, ain't shit free out here. Shit, you probably got to pay to sit down. That coconut looking good. Look, you got to pay for these seats and shit. You see that shit got reserved and stuff on them? Like, crazy, man. I don't know where we've seen that last time. Remember we had us little spot we were sitting down somewhere. It was far to no. We sit down for a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell Tony. Malia was with us.
No, that was in Jamaica. We paid to sit down at that beach.
No, Tony, I think this was it.
Ray when it ran and jumped in the water, baby. He
Yeah.
ran, jumped in the water, and came back out.
We're gonna keep walking all the way down, guys. Oh, there's a bunch of seashells somebody collect. Those ain't no seashells, Tony. Those rocks. I ain't even seen no seashells out here yet. Yeah, these rocks out here. Oh,
See the castle? They went off the ship and made it thing.
so we got one.
The little yellow one? Yeah.
You saw that come from the ship?
Y'all wanna walk that way or turn right here and walk? We got to go rinse off though.
Yeah, it's fine. We're rinsed off on the end.
If we don't see one, we still going back that way though, right?
Yeah.
If we don't see where the rinse off at, we just gonna come back and do it. I hope this cement's not hot because I have no shoes on.
You gotta get right there.
Boy, it's gonna be a long ass video. You say what? Yeah. Oh, that's the sidewalk. We gotta. Yeah, the sidewalk might be hot though, Tony.
Oh, you can't bring your
Well, we'll see though. Wait, let them go.
Put your shoes on. We're going out here to the sidewalk.
No, I'm walking on the sidewalk. It's not hot. I know. It's beautiful out here too. We got some stores, restaurants, clubs, and stuff on that side. Okay. Ray, you can rinse off right here. You gonna rinse off right here, GJ? Put your Crocs back on. GJ, you're not going to the other one? You're not going to the other one?
I am hungry, but you put your hand in your head by putting your hand over your head. I know.
Ray, you got to take your Crocs off.
Yeah, he's trying to get the sand off his head first. It's a lot.
I think your birthday is officially over now, right? Haley's doing something in the backpack, so look around.
You got
know where you're going.
Who up?
Come on. I can't take it off my hand.
Take it off and just set it right in the phone.
How you turn this thing off?
Yeah, it's a power button. Turn around. Bring the video.
Grayson took him a whole bag, y'all. Whole shower. Oh, yeah, we're going to continue to walk down here. Y'all ready? Next time we come, we're going to come early. I'm going to try to get one of these good spots out here so we can really chill.
If you went out and around, you kind of go around the reef.
We got to make sure we keep track of the time so we won't get left on the ship. Yeah, they charge me every damn thing. Them little blue mats, dude, talking about $10.
It was $5 last time we came.
Shit, I don't remember. Yeah. Fresh fish. Huh? Yeah.
They sold out.
I can imagine because y'all want to go. Let me go up here and see something real quick. I just want to see how this thing look. Huh? Oh, this is right here.
Yeah, that's the price for everything. Oh, that little shamrock thing you was asking about? To that guy?
Okay, right.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I heard that.
This is what I want. That thing like $60. So I seen that lady. She was over there chilling on that thing.
That chairlift thing is $9. Well, the whole day, all day pass.
Yeah, I think all this stuff is. Oh no, this thing got hour on it. They got different for different times.
That airlift thing where they had that little mist.
Yeah.
It's $9 for a whole day. For them.
Okay.
$3 for a whole day.
All right, let's go back. They start looking at me crazy. I'm like, let's go and get up out of here. I think last time we kept walking until we got to the locals. They ain't trying to see me. They ain't trying to see me. I get out there and beat all that. Huh? Not really. Remember we kept walking till we got to the locals. Let me guess, y'all not trying to get in the sand, huh?
Huh?
Y'all can rinse your feet back off before we get on the ship, right? Yeah, y'all might get y'all feet a little bit dirty, but we're gonna continue to walk. DJ over there on the ones and twos. How low can you go? Let me see how low can you go. No, that's right. Don't do it, GJ, because you gotta. You fall, boy, you're gonna be feeling sand. That's it. We can walk to this pier. This the end right here. I could have sworn last time we kept walking till we got to the locals or something.
No, this was it.
Mama,
They fixed it up.
Okay. Well, we're gonna walk this pier, then we're gonna turn around. Is it like a beehive thing?
No, the shells come up like that right off our tongue.
Oh, for real? Watch out, no stuff on that thing. Wait, make sure y'all walk in the middle. Make sure y'all walk in the middle. Don't fall. Guys, it's beautiful out here.
Jay say he don't want to go no further, babe. You go.
No, come on, y'all. Please, JJ, it's not gonna break. You know how to swim, right?
Y'all need to take y'all on the pier.
We're professional at this stuff. We got this. Watch out, it's a little dip. That's a little thing right there. Watch your step.
Right here.
Now this water over here is clear. Look, you can see through this water.
See all them little fish, baby?
Look, you can see through this water.
Oh, look at those little colorful fish down there.
For real.
Yeah. They look like a little bee color. You see them? Oh, yeah, I see the bee color. They're in the water with the fish. All water have fish in it.
Whatever y'all do, make sure you don't fall.
Huh?
Because them fish is going to nibble on y'all. Oh, I almost dropped my damn towel. They got some big rocks over here too.
What they say, Gray? They tell you what kind of fish it is right here.
Y'all got watch out. You got people coming behind y'all. Move to the side. Move to the side. Let them go.
So you look under there?
How y'all doing?
Hey,
Up under here?
yeah. See that?
What that? Talk about that rope.
Yeah, is that rope?
Yeah, that's a rope.
What is that?
Rope? Yeah, they say it's a rope.
Mine.
Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. We're just gonna go to this end, then we're gonna turn back around.
They looking at the reef.
Oh, so this is where you go snorkeling and stuff like that.
Where are we going? You going out there? Yeah. Let me know where you're going. Hey.
So this is where you go snorkeling and stuff like
He's
that.
over here. Don't come back here unless you let us know.
Rules, regulations. Let's go to ship, guys. Our 7-day Jubilee Carnival Cruise ship. That's the beach area.
Feel real good right here.
Yeah, watch out, people coming through. All right, we can head back now. Baby Grayson, 7 years old. You don't need to hold Grayson hand.
Grayson holding my hand, so I just grabbed him right there. Grayson, tell Dave, who hold your hand? I'll hold your hand.
This water really not deep because you can see the bottom of it.
Daddy said to let you go. No, you don't need to go over there. See,
Hey,
that's,
Grayson.
yeah.
That's wild. Come on, y'all, let's go back.
You know I don't know how to swim. That's the first reaction I'm gonna get is to try to get him.
Yeah. What's up, man? I'm gonna miss this place. I don't know what type of ship, not a ship, but that's a boat. Let me see, can I zoom in on it? Yeah, you got some people. That thing going like sideways, look like. It's crazy. Damn, my legs feel slimy.
I'm not gonna hold.
I was trying to dry up before I get back on the ship.
Yeah. No, we're gonna walk that other way though.
Okay.
I'm glad we ate before we came out here.
I know when I get on a ship, I'm tear that soda up. I don't even drink soda like that, but today's the day. Oh, get it, go! Let me see, bust a move, go! That lady was sleep it up now. Wide open. Get it, babe. Come on, go. Woo!
Get it, Kurt.
DJ, he ready to get back on that ship, boy. Part over here. Sorry, let me set that. Little ship. You can sit in there and eat your food. Oh shit, I was going the wrong way.
I think they want to rinse their feet off one more time.
Yeah, we should go over there, tear them up in that volleyball, show them how to play.
Nothing be doing that big.
Say, well. There's a playground over there, Gray. Straight ahead.
That a bed.
See the playground?
No, that old playground.
I was trying to go over there. Well, they got chess. They got to teach you how to play chess. Y'all need to rinse off again. They have another one in the front if y'all gonna go. Well, we just do it here. Y'all plan on staying on the sidewalk. They're gonna rinse their feet off once again. We got a better view here of the playground. Right there, Gracie, you think he's too old. He don't play on that kiddie stuff no more. We make sure you stay on the sidewalk.
I know.
When you kick your feet like that, you kick dirt back in your shoes. So you need to stop that. Now, watch y'all, move to the side so people can come through.
Well, it's damn what it feels, but
It's okay. That's why I'm trying to tell you, you need to walk right. All right, let's go. Shoot, man, y'all about to be all day with that.
I'm not even dry yet.
By the time we get to the ship, we should be. I'm kind of dry.
I can't wait for that water and lemon.
That water and lemon. Get it, go. Got that beer in their hand. They look young as hell drinking that shit. Oh, I can run to that branch. Wow.
what?
Y'all get a picture? Or I'm just gonna get a clip for my thing. Her, give me your phone. I can take out pictures.
My phone?
Yeah. Gotta take the back off. I'll get a little picture real quick, guys. Shit. Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Wait, what is this thing doing? Like, what you got this thing on? All right, I'm getting another one. Hold up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Good. Could you guys take us a picture?
Definitely. Come on.
All right.
Come on.
You just push the white button.
Thank you. Grayson, scoot over this way, son.
You guys let me know
There
when
you
y'all
go.
ready.
We're ready.
Ready.
Ready?
Uh-huh. It's good?
Get it?
That's good.
You guys know what's
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Well, man.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, that's some good pictures.
Come on, Pete.
Take a picture.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
After that.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
I think you should take a
All right,
picture.
that's good, Tom.
Take a picture.
That'll be all day.
Okay. The thing up there.
I'll give you a phone.
Yeah, that right there, the air ride, whatever.
Make sure you don't fall out your thing because it's wide open.
Their feet was wet. You know that?
Oh, the water.
Water's on my head. I thought it was raining.
We see you soon. Oh, we supposed to walk through that trail.
Yeah, it's up here, baby.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Over the bridge.